Styrofoam mannequin heads are a versatile and budget-friendly canvas for amazing Halloween displays. Follow along to make your own spooky piece of Halloween decor. You need the following materials: a male styrofoam head, nails, black, white, and silver paint, and a foam brush. Start by painting the mannequin head. I took some silver paint and mixed in just a small amount of black paint and covered the entire head. I'm going to add a little white to distort the color some more. Now I'll rub on a little black. Once the head is dry, I will take my black paint and add accentuating shadows to the ears, lips, eye sockets, and under the nose. Once everything is dry, I will place the nails across the entire head. Depending on the length of your nails, you should be able to insert them about halfway. This guy is feeling no pain, and this Halloween decoration is sure to be a hit at your gathering. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.